Hi, very good evening. So today I'm just introducing you guys to our website, which is thinkerstonic.com. So you only have to search Thinkerstonic on Google. So you will get the first website, which is Thinkerstonic German. Okay, so now click on this. This is very wonderful opportunity for all of you guys. You have to click on Study in Germany, and then after you will come across our recent post. You see, we have been uploading here the complete A1 lecture, uh, 12 weeks lecture. So from bottom down you can see German A1 course week 1. Okay, so if you click here, read more, you will go next. They will ask for the password because I have made it password protected. Okay, so as I have logged in with my own account, so you will get all the access. I can just give you the demo. I can give you the demo. You can get all the access, all the complete lectures. And apart from that, similarly, you have to go back and you have to check another another week, like week 2, you will get all the access. And likewise, for week 3, you will get the access. And similarly, I will be uploading all the entire week's courses. That is from week 1 to week 3. Sorry, week 12. Okay, and all after every course, you will get one assignment link. Let me show you the assignment link. Okay, so this is the assignment link, download PDF assignment for week. So if you click this, you will download the assignment, and that assignment would be based on the lectures that you take. Okay, so that you can also get practice whatever you learn. And I can assure you, like, once you go through all these 12 weeks courses, definitely there is no one who can stop you clearing A1 Goethe examination more than 80%. Okay, so just try this out. You should not look here and there. You should not muggle up yourself in several videos available on YouTube. And this is the wonderful website. This is my wonderful efforts that I have tried to accumulate lot of learning at one place. Okay, and I will also be offering you the PDF of the PDF book for even both textbook and workbook, so that in parallel to the learning you can also practice some of the exercises from your workbook. Okay, so feel free to ask me in the comment section, because you will not be getting the access of this content. I have made it protected with the password, and you are supposed to get me the get password from me. Okay, so you can ask him in the comment section, or you can reach us on Telegram. Okay, thank you very much. This is our Telegram channel. I will also show you our Telegram channel. You see, this Telegram channel belongs to us. Okay, so you can also directly join this Telegram channel, and or you can contact the admin. They will give you the password. Okay, thank you very much.